Present indicative of E-IE stem change verbs. The conjugation of a regular verb in the present indicative starts with the stem of the verb, followed by an ending that tells the subject of the verb. But for a large number of verbs, the stem vowel has two forms. It changes back and forth between one vowel and something else as the verb is conjugated. In this class, the change is between E and IE. When the vowel stem is stressed, it's IE, and when it's not stressed, it's E. Verb forms that end in a vowel, N or S, are normally stressed on the next to last syllable. So, as you add endings during conjugation, watch to see when the vowel stem is stressed because it ends up being next to last. This happens with A and E verbs that fall into this class. Here's an example of it with an A verb. You start with a stem that has this variation. If the subject is yo, the ending is o, and that puts the vowel stem next to last, and so it's stressed, and so the stem is ie. If the subject is tu, the ending is as, and the vowel stem is stressed. If the subject is usted, él or ella, the ending is a, and again the vowel stem is stressed.
Now, if the subject is nosotros or nosotras, the ending is amos. And in this case, because amos has two syllables, this is the next to last syllable, and so the stress falls here. The vowel stem is not stressed, and so it's e. If the subject is vosotros or vosotras, the ending is ais, and here too the vowel stem is not stressed, and so it's also e. If the subject is ustedes, ellos, or ellas, the ending is an, and the stress moves back one syllable to the stem, and so it's ie.
Of course, you could also think about it this way. The stem is IE in all forms except the nosotros and vosotros forms. And again, this can happen with an A or an E verb that falls into this class. This is an A verb. And here's an example of an E verb.